Welcome to part 3 of fixing the skill saw. I got it for free. It was covered in concrete dust and didn't work very well, didn't go very fast, and made a lot of sparking. At this point I'm going to add some new oil to it. So we're going to open it up and see how bad the oil looks inside. You got to open up this bolt right here, and so I'm using a socket wrench to remove it. I'm going to open that up and see what the oil looks like inside. Here you can see it's pretty ugly. It almost looks like graphite or really bad paint. I don't think that's how it's supposed to look when it's new or after it's been in use. I don't think anyone has ever serviced this saw, whoever had it before me. So here I've dumped out all the oil into this container, and you can really see how nasty it looks. It looks like oil and vinegar, but or like fresh paint out of a can that hasn't been stirred enough. Pretty gross. So you can see how the oil looks. It's pretty bright, clear yellow. It looks a lot like gear oil with maybe like 140 weight. So I'm going to put that inside there, just to the bottom of the threads. When you look inside the hole, there's some threads there. So when I put enough in there, it seemed like the bottom of the threads was about even with the top of the worm gear drive that's inside.
Alright, so here's what it sounds like.
Now I've done the test run, I'm going to check the oil, see what it looks like again.
Well, it doesn't look very clean anymore. I guess I could probably need to just run it a while and then do another clean batch of oil. I think it's hard to get it all out of there. I think I was actually supposed to warm it up, run it for a minute. I think I remember reading the instructions like a week ago. Alright, now I'm going to check this one. Okay. I'm glad this just kind of works there. That was not any planned thing, it just happened that way. This saw is like one of the originals, I think. Cleaning off the sawdust from around it. That's all I need is to get sawdust inside there. The other one I don't think would be sawdust. It looked metallic or something. So this one's definitely low. You can see all of the worm gear in there. It doesn't look like it has much of anything for lube. Alright, let's drain this. I almost forgot to run this for a minute, you silly me. I mean, I just told myself to run it for a minute. Here we go. Okay, so this is what this one looked like, except for that bit of milky yellow color that's in their brake cleaner, just to get some of the residue out of the bottom of the worm gear in there. That's probably the wrong thing to do, but just wanted to get it a little rinsed out. Anyways, this looks pretty much the same as the other one, except this is more like really hot fudge goo. Alright, so here's the test of sound and speed.
So thanks for watching these videos. They both seem to be doing pretty well. The one that I cleaned up really does sound like it's at a decent speed and working good. Maybe not perfect, but for the condition it was in, I think it's pretty amazing. So I'll try cutting some boards and see how that works. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it. If you watched all three, wonderful. Look forward to having you watch the next ones. Thanks.